we have another industry first for Ecovacs, where we've taken the T series of products and we're combining it. We have the T30S Combo. So, in the home, as much as we get excited about robot vacuums and they are cleaning your floor, people make mess elsewhere. These are our little friends, our pets, children, visitors. We ourselves make mess too. We're always blaming other family members or people that come around to visit, but we're also messy as well. So these are creating, keep people awake at night and wondering what they're going to do in terms of cleaning them and those scenarios. And let's be honest as well, stairs needs to be dealt with as well. So all these places in your home, sofas, beds, looking on blinds, tabletops, in your car, that side of things as well, they also need to be cleaned, but your robot can't reach them. So our solution is to come up with the T30S Combo, bringing the best of both worlds together. You've got the robot vacuum, and then you've got the handheld device as well. Controversial, eh?
Ecovacs Deebot T30S Combo. Your ultimate combo solution of powerful handheld vacuum and Deebot. The handheld vacuum captures more than 99% of dust. Replaceable brush heads suit for multi-surface cleaning. And the inherited TrueEdge from Deebot, expanding the cleaning coverage up to 100%. With Zero Tangle, you can say goodbye to hair entanglement. Dual Auto Empty brings a truly carefree experience. Ecovacs Deebot T30S Combo. Team up in both ways. More options available.
So as you mentioned this on the video there, we really have got, we're taking the T30 Pro Omni that we launched in July. We've used all of that functionality in the robot and then combined it with all of these other tools to have an all-in-one solution for your home from floor to ceiling. So I just wanted to jump on quickly and talk through the T30 Pro Omni. What are the elements that are in the robotic vacuum part of this product? So if you can look here, we just spoke before about the TrueEdge mopping. It has that. It has the intelligent deep mopping as well, returning back to clean a second time on an area if you notice that was dirtier. It's got a really great mopping functionality, 11,000 PA suction, and zero tangle, anti-tangle. You name it basically, the mop riser, it does everything. So, of course, it doesn't have the artificial intelligence like we're talking about in the X5 Pro Omni along the way, but this is still a really fantastic solution that addresses most people's cleaning needs in terms of on their floor. And then we've combined it together with a handheld vacuum. What's really, really smart as well is the fact that you've got this all-in-one solution. It means that it's sharing the auto-empty station. So when you're using the handheld device, when you return it back to the docking station, which is shared with the robotic vacuum, it will then empty out the handheld device as well. Just within 10 seconds it takes it, so therefore you no longer have to empty it out onto the dustbin or have to think it through. And of course it's taking one powering solution as well. We did a lot of research and we found from a lot of our users that people have got 2 or 3 devices. They're strewn in cupboards, they're upstairs, downstairs, who knows where they are they powered, are they charged? Actually having these all-in-one solution means you're probably more likely to use them for one, because it's really convenient. I'm a lot better at cleaning my car now as a result of actually having this in my life and to use it along the way as well. So it's solving all the problems in one go. Making sure that from a handheld device perspective, we've got a sister company to Nico, so we use them and work with them to get the engineering right, making sure that we've got the HEPA filtration system, that we're able to get down to micron level in terms of removing all of the dust and debris as well along the way, and it's really, really sustaining that power as well and constant along the way. Within it, we've also things that are really, really important from a handheld device, making sure it's got multi-head configuration. I'll show you all those elements that are in a second. It needs to be lightweight so you don't get the fatigue when you're picking it up and waving it around to clean the high. Like I mentioned with the HEPA filtration system. The battery will last for an hour before it needs to be recharged if it's on standard mode. Allergy friendly because of it extracting all those microns, and also sharing the water empty station as well means you're not getting as exposed to the dust and things as well. We've made sure it's nice and low and quiet when it's running as well, and we're also making by this constant cyclone technology within there as well. You're not losing any suction power over time, which can often happen with these types of products. So what do we actually have? The brush attachments. We just showed you at the beginning the messes that you get in the homes. it's not, you want a number of different attachments, which are very, very cleverly tucked away inside of the drawer of the product as well. So we've got a crevice tool for vacuuming corners, we've got a flat brush that's doing more like coffee tables and that side of things, a mini power brush, for dust mites and that side of things, and then finally a power brush head and stick attachment as well. Now this would normally be sold separately, but we've bundled it for Australia. The intel that we got was people wanted an all-in-one solution, so we've actually included that. We've included that in the solution as well, and that would normally be worth $200, but we've included that as part of the proposition. So there really is every solution there. And as you can see, because we've got the power brush head and stick attachment, it means that it's like an extendable hose. So you're able to then put one of these other tools on the top and get those spider's webs that have probably been bothering you for ages. And unless you do have a cleaner coming around or someone else who likes to clean in your home, you can maybe start to actually have a higher level of hygiene than you had previously. So in summary, this is really the all-in-one with all the facts, figures for the product as well. So we're super excited by the combo, and we really, when we go upstairs, please go and have a trial of the product as well and test it out.
My name's Sophie. I'm a busy mum of 2 kids. I don't like my house to be dirty. It's extremely important to me to have a clean home.
My name is Jeannie. I have 2 boys. I usually clean up during the night time mostly, and once they woke up the next morning, everything messed up again.
Hi, I'm Jess. I've got 3 little kids, so it can get real busy and it can get real messy. So the messiest time of the day is definitely meal times. So that's breakfast, lunch, dinner, and in between there.
My name is Lucia. I'm a full-time working mom. The robot has so many smart features, and also AI technology really helps the robot to do things that no other can do.
Another thing I like about it is the mapping, because I can map the floor in a few minutes, so I can choose which area to clean, just the living room or the whole houses, so it's really helpful.
So I was amazed how when it's like mid-cleaning, it literally stops and goes back to the station, cleans the mopping pads for you, and refills the tank all for you. It literally does everything by itself. It cleans my house and itself.
I did notice when I have coffee spill, the AI instant remop feature did effectively pick them up.
I also do love how it goes in a scrubbing motion. That is my favourite because it's literally like scrubbing it for you. I love that. That's my favourite part.
This robot vacuum is just perfect for me. It looks really stylish. It matches my home so well.
I really like the docking station. It's very sophisticated, and the square front can pick up more dirt. It did an excellent edge cleaning job.
I love how it is very convenient for me to just go grab the handheld, and especially with the attachments, and then when I put the handheld vacuum cleaner into the station, it automatically empties out the dustbin into the station. So it does it all for you. I don't even have to empty it out myself.
I really enjoy using the Pure Cyclone station. I think it's really powerful that you can actually see how much dirt goes into the station, and I can just empty it in the bin without using a bag, so it's eco-friendly.
It's given me so much time back to do things with the kids. They love it, so they follow it around, they've given it names, they put things on top of it because they think that it's funny while it's going around cleaning with a little toy on top. The name changes quite regularly, but its name is Lightning McLean. That's what I have it saved in my phone. So if I wasn't to have one of these Ecovacs, I don't think I'd be able to maintain my home to the standard that it is. It's a lifesaver and it helps me so much. My house is now getting mopped every single day.
I really like this machine. It gave me more freedom to look after myself and my family.
It has changed my cleaning routine, and it helps to clean more frequently. It cleans better than I do. Better job than I do.